in our everyday life. You will find, if you go through the internet, or very often even in conversations, you will come across people who have brilliantly qualified, academically achieved the world, but they have not been that successful in life. And on the other hand, you may also find plenty of people who have not been educated at all, who probably have come from the worst strata of the society and they have not had any formal training, but they have been really successful. What is the reason for this difference? It is because many of us feel that it is this knowledge, the certification, these different awards that really count in making a man successful. Absolutely not. Not that I am saying that these awards and certifications are not useful, but what is true knowledge? True knowledge is that which comes from within. We have a powerhouse of knowledge which we can use in life. Formal education is not the only thing. And I want to give you an example of my own self. Right from my childhood, my father was very keen that I should learn some music. So he actually got me a Guruji to teach me sitar. I was a normal school going kid in those days, very much impressed with Bollywood and all those westernized songs, and sitar did not interest me. I did not want to know things like Rag Hamid and Yaman and Desh, which was there as a part of our rich culture of Hindustani music. I value it now, but in those days I felt it was a punishment to me. I didn't want to do that. So one day I told my Guruji that, look Guruji, I am not interested in this Rag, Desh, etc. what I am playing. I am more interested in playing some songs from Hindi films. So I gave him an example. I want to play this song from the film Guddi. There was a song called Humko Man Ki Shakti Dena. It was a very nice bhajan. So the Guruji, he was very good in this sitar and I really respect him a lot, and he played that song for me and he played it beautifully. So I was very happy. So I said, Guruji, I want to learn this song. Can you teach me how to play this song? Now that is the time Guruji said, I am not going to teach you. You have the interest, you know how to play the sitar, you learn it yourself. I was surprised. I said, how? I don't know which note and how. He said, you will learn it yourself. Something that he said made an impact on me. So the following Sunday when I was at home, I took out the sitar and I just started playing. I heard the song several times. I started. Initially it didn't come through. But after some effort of maybe 2 or 3 hours, I could faintly play that song. And after a little while, I could play the song. However badly. I am not saying I played it as an expert, but I could play that song. Everything that we wish to do, whatever we wish to accomplish, we have it within us. We are a storehouse of immense knowledge, immense power. The question is, we should have the will and that enthusiasm and a lot of hard work to be able to achieve that. If we do that, nothing is impossible. Friends, do try it. And our scriptures also say that real knowledge exists within ourselves, not in the outer world. Thank you.